It's so hard to work with gloves, I tell you. Ah, it's for me. Run this. Normally I'll hose down the blocks, but there's too much rain already.
Let's see what she got for the little one. Yeah.
So what are we planting there? More beets?
Yes. All these red vein leaves and beets. I'll take out this phone from this pocket for my please.
We were
And yours.
on the cauliflowers in the block holes. And this one proved that it is a high yielding bed because as plant beets are sown in the bed already, so now we're utilizing the holes, the block holes. And the bed, it takes 38 blocks to make the bed. And each block has 2 holes. So after planting inside the bed, you are able to plant 76 plants around the bed. I find this to be very efficient. Blocks the plants do exceedingly well in the block holes because of the high mineral content it absorbs from the blocks. Because the blocks are cement blocks, they're made from sand. Minerals in the sand, plants do exceedingly well. As you can see over there, the walking onions, flourishing.
Onions. So what are these right here?
Cauliflower. And you can plant cauliflower with beets, companion, onions, lettuce.
So normally you'd wash it out?
I'll wash the blocks so they look neat and clean.
Mm-hmm.
And the plants will be clean, but there's so much rain already, I don't want to put any more water.
Mm-hmm.
The plants do very well in the block holes because of the mineral content and also the nutrition The nutrients for the plant is very concentrated. It's inescapable. They're trapped. Yeah. You have no erosion. Well encased. Plants do very well. And the holes seem to be small, but they tend to take a lot of soil to fill them up. A lot of soil. Yeah. And depending on what you plant in the block hole, you have to plant them like halfway filled, and then as they grow, you put more soil. So you want to leave them, so if they have to get a support, they could get support from the sides of the block. Yeah, so they wouldn't fall over.
So that looks like that's about half full
Yes,
with dirt or soil.
yes.
Yeah, like you said, when you do that, they get not support just on the block, but afterwards you can put some more soil as they grow bigger. Yeah.
It's like potatoes. You plant the potatoes about 4 inches deep, and when they grow up
Irish potato.
about 4 to 6 inches high, which is the white potato, Irish potatoes, then you put more soil around and over here.